How to view your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook on PC. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any browser. Click on search bar and type in facebook.com. Now press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you log in to your Facebook account with your credentials. Now on the sidebar, you need to scroll down and then locate the option of birthday. If you don't find, click see more. And here you will see the birthday option. You simply need to click on birthdays to view your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook. And here you can see that on January, this individual has the upcoming birthday, and on August, this user or the friends on Facebook has their upcoming birthdays. So, in this way, you can successfully view your friends' upcoming birthdays on Facebook on PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.